Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid in Google Earth. First, open Google Earth Pro on your computer. To activate the basic grid, simply go to the View menu located at the top of your screen. From the drop-down options, select Grid. This action will immediately display a network of latitude and longitude lines across your globe, providing a fundamental coordinate system for general orientation and location finding. This is the quickest way to get started. The default grid shows lines of latitude and longitude, which are excellent for general navigation and understanding global positions. For more precise, localized measurements, especially in meters, you can switch to a Universal Transverse Mercator or UTM grid. To do this, go to Tools, then Options, and under the 3D View tab, select Universal Transverse Mercator for your coordinate display. This change helps with detailed area analysis. Google Earth Pro does not have a built-in tool to generate custom grids with specific dimensions, like 100-meter squares. However, you can import custom grid images or KML files created using external software. To add one, go to Add, then Image Overlay, and browse for your grid file. You can then adjust its position, rotation, and transparency to fit your area of interest precisely. Grids in Google Earth are incredibly useful for various applications. They help you identify exact locations, measure distances, and understand relative positions with greater accuracy across different scales. Whether you are planning a hiking route, conducting a land survey, or simply exploring a new area, using these grids enhances your ability to interpret and interact with geographic data effectively for better decision-making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.